Hey, it's Joe with Amalgam, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download bank transactions from something like Plaid and then be able to upload them into your general ledger. And so first, let's look at downloading. I'm in my Amalgam toolkit on the right. I hit download, and then I'll navigate down to my Plaid account. I'm going to select the bank transactions one, and you can see I've got a whole host here. I will pull in my little credit card, and you'll see that normal report thing for Amalgam. I'll set a date. Let's just maybe do the beginning of the year. Let's just say, yep, there we go. So we can do a few months. And it should pull down pretty quickly. Plaid's a quick one for us. So you can see I've got all my different transactions, the amounts, the descriptions, the merchants, those types of things all through here. And then what I'm able to do then, once I have my data, is let's create a template to upload it. So I'll hit my plus sign. I'll go to my two-way sync. And I'm going to show you the QuickBooks version, but we have the ability to do this in pretty much every one of our connections. So if it's Sage, we've got my transaction loaders. Xero has a specific bank transactions tool for QuickBooks. I'll just use that one. I've got my bank upload, and I'll select my company ABC widgets, and you'll see, the normal kind of uploader two-way sync sort of functionality come down for us. The one thing you'll see different about this one is that there's no downloading. We're not going to download transactions. We're just going to upload them for the bank. But you'll see your number, action, status, and then we have our fields here. So bank account, filling this out, it would be my credit card account, right? So my credit card's payable. What's the account type? It's going to be the credit card type. The date, I can just link this through. And so here's my date. The amount also, I can link that through. So I've got my amount. Description, I think in this instance, I'm just going to pull in the bank's description. So here's that. And then category account, that's going to be the account I choose. And then vendor will be on me too. So I'm actually going to copy these down a little bit. So let's, I won't do all of them, but we'll show for an example. Right, I can just source right from that data set, and then category account, bagel to sandwich sounds like the meals. Google one is going to be software for Squarespace. This is going to be bank fees, right? Slack is a software. Claude will be a software. A lot of softwares for me, huh? So this is pretty easy. And then this would be my bank payment. So, I might leave that blank because I don't think in this workspace I have my credit card kind of account. Oh yeah, well it would still be the credit card account. I was thinking the vendor. So it's going to go against the credit cards payable. And then the vendor here would be the vendors that I seek. So I don't necessarily have these exact vendors. Google's not a vendor for me, but I might just pick a couple here for us. Not that this makes any sense. Squarespace, and let's just do whatever. Kovacs faxes. I can do all these, and then I'll leave that last one blank. And then you can see on the left, I've got my status. It recognizes all these as new. This signifies the number, so they're all one-line entries, and then I'd upload. And this is really great for a variety of uses. I'll hit the sync button and it will do its checks. It's great for a variety of uses, whether you can't connect the specific bank account into the GL system, or it's something where you're rebuilding books for a long history of time. Looks like I got an error here. I've got to use, right. I'm putting my credit cards payable as my account, but it really should be like my checking account is where that money is coming from. Right? I can't pay against the credit card in its account. So I'll hit sync again. It won't touch any of these, and it should just update this last line item there for us. So there you go. Whether you're rebuilding books or just doing monthly bank, the kind of pulling data from, let's say, a Plaid of your bank accounts, and then being able to upload it in mass is super easy. If you had thousands of lines, you could do it in pretty much the same process I just showed you. Happy amalgamating. Bye.